I did not take for granted all the little milestones of every kid. I mean, like, so I have another son, Diego, who is neurotypical. So when he was growing up, he was like, "Whoa, he's sitting down," and it was like it was such a big thing for us, cause like it took Tiago forever to sit down. So it was really those little things that parang, wow, that's so cool. And a simple thing as the speech, cause Tiago is nonverbal, so the fact that parang he's able to say some vowels like parang it's such a, whoa, good job, parang it's such a big thing. So I think that's the biggest thing that has changed in me as a parent, na parang the perspective in life has dramatically changed talaga on what matters, what does not matter, little things that you can just I guess put aside because there are more important things that